This is a Google Sheet that I came up with when I was looking at a salary scale. And the salary scale had different things added onto it. And I wanted to figure out what I was being paid. And I just thought that having a Google Sheet with different checkboxes would have been very good for this. So I set it up where you have the base salary and there's a checkbox here. So if I check that, then that's added. And then it has, so just looking at the checkboxes and then, different degrees and then, different things different benefits. And then this is kind of where I got stuck because then there's like experience per year. And I thought that maybe having this as a checkbox makes it best if you're doing each one individually. But then, and what I mean by that is if you're just going through this in like I am and just putting them all together like this, but I wanted to make a single formula for this. And so I think with a single formula, this would be better as checkboxes. But so I'll have to think about that. So how this looks is these are basically if statements. And if this checkbox is checked, then you add this. So if checkbox C2 is checked, you add the cell value from B2. And then, so this one is multiplying these two values. And so I think maybe it would be good to just make these checkboxes, and then the list will be longer, but then you can have a single formula. So this formula is value of B3 times the value of C3. And then this is another if statement. If cell C6 is true means have a check, then it will add B6, and I go down the same way through all these. And then this is just the sum of these values. I'm trying to think about a way to use this in class. Again, I think that having a single formula for these might make this run a little bit smoother. But give it a try. Let me know how you use it.